Well, I often get asked this one standard question. Do chefs under this sun know all the recipes? It's often never like that. We travel a lot. We experience different cafes, different restaurant menus, meet different people, visit different homes. And that's when we come back with a lot of recipes. And some recipes, trust me, stay with us. This recipe, trust me, is absolutely easy, peasy, and wonderfully breezy. It's a subak Hwachae, a Korean fruit punch, which, trust me, is soon going to become your family favorite. Let's begin. So first things first, I'm using mangoes because I have wonderful Alfonsos in my house today. So Alfonsos, then I'm going to add in some watermelon, kiwi, blueberries. Keep it simple. Let's dice this. Let's begin with peeling the mango. We score this and start dicing. Now trust me, you don't have to do this on your hand. You can do this at peace on a cutting board. Next, let's move on to a watermelon. Just ensure it's as seedless as it can be. If not, remove the seeds, as many as you can. Lastly, let's peel a kiwi and dice that as well. Once this is ready, now let's move on. You can go all out and use lychees, rambutan, canned fruits, cocktail fruits, only oranges. You can keep playing with the absolute variety that you can think of. The basis and the genesis is honeyed water or honeyed milk and magnolia fruit berry juice. Now, magnolia fruit berry juice is a combination of sweet, sour, a touch bitter, but that bitterness is kind of balanced with the honey. Now here in this recipe, there is nothing bitter. There's no offsetting flavor at all. It's all very simple. It's all in one line. It's in a single plane. So fruits can be a combination of tart and sweet. You can go all out and use strawberry juice, cranberry juice, raspberry juice. Keep those fruit or berry juices in mind when you're building up this. But when you're not using a strawberry milk or a cranberry milk or a raspberry milk, remember, this recipe will need a couple of spoons of condensed milk to bring in that cream element. Now I'm using raspberry jelly, which I had in my home already. So jelly goes in this now. Do remember that jelly is watery. You need to set it a little firmer. So follow the recipe on the packet, but reduce water to say 3/4. Now let's add in some blueberries and along with this, some cubes of ice. I'm using strawberry milk. And finally, any carbonated drink of your choice. Let's give all of this a quick stir. With this, a subak Hwachae is done and ready. And like I said earlier, a wonderful, delightful Korean fruit punch. Make this for your family, make this for friends, and let me know in the comment section how you like it. Well, this is otherwise my favorite. But now I need to know if it soon becomes your favorite. It's me, Varun, signing off. Bye for now.